That was gangsta. I'm not gonna lie, that was gangsta. Hey, look. Hey, first thing first, bro. Yo, we just redid the rooming. You know, if you watch my streams, you would have been on we like did that and stuff. But like, yeah, bro, this is a different vibe, ain't it? You can't really see much from here, but like, hold on. All right, that's all y'all get to see, bro. We ain't here for all that. YouTube, it's good, man. Why am I holding it like this? I can make a little makeshift stand. Hi, how are ya? Hope you're doing good out there. Listen, you don't know who I am. My name is Trez. You seen today's video? We're going skating. Y'all, those of y'all that follow my Trez on Trip live channel, we didn't go skating live, but that wasn't always a live channel. Like, that was my original channel, then I made this whole live, then I made this my main channel. Blah. Listen, we going skating, buddy. I'm not a pro skater, but I love skating. I don't know what it is. It's just something about those four wheels just clanking on that hard wood. And you hear all the good vibes going on and people falling and people doing 1-foot tricks. And then you got people that be skating backwards. People be hopping over people on the ATL movie type, you know what I'm saying? Look, bro. Look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Hold on, I gotta check the sub count. We are currently at 1,200 subscribers. Wow, y'all supposed to be crazy. I knew y'all was gonna love it. I knew it. I knew y'all was gonna love it. I'm just glad that I'm right. I'm so glad that I'm right. I'm glad y'all love this. Well, next big goal is 10K. Let's get 10K by like February, bro. Or by like mid-February. By this time, at the time I'm recording this is middle of January, so like it probably won't drop until like later in January. I know, just knowing me and my editing style, bro, because I just be so good with it, bro. Listen. We trying to hit 10K by the end of February, bro. Let's go ahead and get that, you feel me? Not that I'm gonna put a limit on it, I just want to hit 10K, you feel me? That's the next big goal, so like, let's stop playing and let's get there. But nonetheless, bro, y'all came for a skating video. Y'all staying for a skating video. I gotta come up with my own like transition. I don't really know what to say, so like, how do people usually do these transitions? Like, how does it work? Hold on, bruh. Y'all thought I was really gonna let y'all leave without checking the fit, bruh. Check that joint, dude. Hold on. You know how we coming, bruh. Hold on. Zoom in on that motherfucker. Can you see that? Zoom in on that right there. The big JKT jersey. If y'all don't got that, y'all don't know where that's from. Y'all don't even know where that's from. JKT Triplets, bro. Link in the description. Sub up to my bros, bro. You feel me? I'm a triplet. I got a channel with my brothers, bro. Go ahead and sub up, bro. Anyway, we here for that. But like, bro, like, hold on. Like, can't forget the newbies. Never. Oh, that shit got some. Oh, they got some. Yep, nah, I got some dirt on there. If y'all been watching my videos, bro, y'all know I spam the hell out them shoes, bro. Well, I don't really wear this white shirt like that. Y'all know I love to rep JKT wherever I go. And then look, bro. I keep these same pants on every video. I keep the same pants on. Why, buddy? Because it works with everything. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, I would love to wear the glasses, but I'm just like, bro, I don't wear these glasses often, like once every 5 months and 3 weeks. So it's kind of like, am I really willing to take that risk of rolling around on four wheels where I could fall at any moment and I can partially see, or I'm learning how to see. I'm learning how to skate and learn how to see at the same time. That's kind of pointless. So like, I'm not even going. But you know, the fit's still clean though. And I'm just like, look, and I'm just like, the hat is cool, but it's just like not the summertime. So like, I don't know, bro. And then like, hold on, chat. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not wearing nothing on my hat, bro. I'm wearing my hair out. It's gonna be hottish in there. So I'm kind of debating if I really want to wear this or not. Justin, what are you about to wear, bro? He ain't tell me what he about to wear. So I'm gonna have to figure out once he get home. And once you get home, buddy, beat you off for not telling me what you gonna wear. That ass, like, bro, that ass. I love you though. Y'all might be asking, where Trey at, bro? Trey had to work. I just got off work. Justin's getting off work at 7:30. Trey don't get off till 10 p.m. The place closes at 11. We ain't got time to waste. But it's okay. Trey will be in the next one. There, made you feel better? Happy? All right, bro. Let's get on with the video, bro.
Down goes Frazier. Somebody call the ambulance.
All right, so don't be mad at me. I left my mic in the car, and I'm not going back to get it. It's too cold. But look, we at Skateland, man. Those of y'all that don't know, Putty Hill, the last location I was at in the last vlog, had closed down. So we had to settle for something else. But I'm just gonna go here. We're gonna have a marvelous time. I can't do too much recording because a bunch of little niggas in here. Like, they chose to be born and they wanted to come to the skating rink. That's kind of annoying, but like, hey, nonetheless, as long as they having fun, that's all that matters, right? We're doing it for the kids. Anyways, I'm just throwing some clips of me skating and Justin skating. Y'all know how we get down. Oh wait, I should also mention Justin is with me today. You know, and I have a wonderful friend with me, but like, she nervous, so like, you know, I'm not even, you know, like, you know, hey, that's really none of y'all business. Like, I really want to let y'all know that's really none of y'all business. Like, do you hear me, nigga? That's none of your business. But all right, enough of all the talking. Let's go and have some fun. I know how to do. I'ma spam that motherfucker. I'ma spam it though. You can do backwards. I ain't there yet. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in flow state. I can tell. You know, playing a little calm. You feel me? How the cameraman keep it up? If it was the other way around, he would leave my ass. Matter of fact, enough me talking. I want him to shit on the camera. Oh, shit, I'm getting too close. Oh, I thought you about to stop it. Nah, you good, gang. Yeah. Oh, the bow and arrow. I call it the bow and arrow. There you go, bro. Yo, we touched and I didn't trip. That's crazy. Oh, y'all kids, that's kind of crazy. Yo, stupid as hell. What are you looking at like that, bro? Y'all wanna know what the fit is? Empty hat, JBL headphones, Champion sweater. Champion, y'all need to sponsor me and stop playing because I'm not playing. Stop playing, and then I got Champion sweatpants. Everything Champion is so comfortable, they need to sponsor me. And boots, Sugar, California. I would have got some Chicago ones, but I ain't seen none online. And weirdly enough, California skates are cheaper. Get some skates from Sugar, they're really good. Bills, they're $8. You can find them on Amazon. Listen, man, make sure y'all niggas like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm out here holding y'all niggas while I'm skating, bro. I really could have like enjoyed this time. Instead, I chose to work. But you stay working. As soon as you stop working, somebody behind you taking your spots. Remember that. I'm in flow seat. You feel me? Hey, shout out to Justin. You know, best cameraman of the year, Tyson. Don't ever tell him I told y'all this. You know, because he really like a chat stuff. But like, I really love that. You know, I love Trey too. Trey just couldn't make it. Trey, where you at, bro? Why you not on these? I'm tired of yapping. Probably gonna get a middle shot and call it. And my feet are cramping up. And I ain't drink no water. Catch no niggas on the next one. No. Next clip. And the next clip. Alright. Hey man, that was another little skating vlog. Hey, let me know what y'all like to do for fun, bro. You feel me? Let me know, like, do y'all want to go skating? Do y'all want to go bowling, bro? Let me know. I ran out of bus and I'm taking us all there. You feel me? I don't know what the next vlog gonna be, so You know, it's been Trez, aka Trez Don't Trip, man. Road to 10K subs, man. It's crazy. We got 1,000 on this channel, bro. That's crazy. Hey, man, road to 10K. Let me know if y'all want to see more vlogs like this. And y'all go sub to Yeah Just Made That. Best cameraman of the fucking year. Don't tell him I said that, though. And we out, man. Cold as this. It's cold up. I'm trying to warm my balls. Warm my balls, nigga. Yeah.